Working hard is great, but sometimes it takes a little smart thinking. Feast your eyes on the master of black noodles, Malaysia's own wok wizard in action. Wow, unreal. Who would have thought a self-balancing electric board could be used like that?
When a professional works.
When the robot clocks in, humans clock out for a tea break. Take a wild guess. What's this machine up to? Hit the comments and let us know. They make cleaning a fun and engaging experience. One sprayer, one color, and the whole wall gets a makeover in seconds. So this is how welding rods are made. Pretty awesome stuff. He's slicing through those leaves like a machine. I'd be stunned if anyone outpaced him. Whether it's grilled, boiled, or paired with fish or sticky rice, palm fruit dishes are local favorites in many places. That's just a fried rice queen on the streets of China. putting on a show with her skills.
With its versatile features, this leaf blower has almost no limits.
If you're into handmade sweets, this one's gonna hit the sweet spot, literally. With this tool, your roof drain will always be clear. This powerful man is turning up the heat around the globe. Drop his name in the comments if you know who he is.
Produce better results.
Thanks to this machine, grinding corn is now easy and gives excellent results. Thailand tip, grab some bamboo sticky rice. Simple, smoky, unforgettable.
3 กระบอก 50 เลือกได้เลยจ้า
I wouldn't be surprised if this guy gets banned early for his talent.
No time for a beach trip? Don't worry. This dude knows how to bring the waves to your doorstep. For anyone obsessed with purple walls, this is your kind of eye candy. Think those skilled hands are impressive enough for a thumbs up? With ingenuity, the man turned the stairs into a clean walkway. Whoa! It's like that sign just got a second life. This isn't just construction, it's bricklaying turned into an art form.
Unbelievable. This guy's finger strength is so impressive.
Hi. Did you get my email?
Who needs to walk the field when this bad boy handles the harvest for you? Ever wonder where the bling on your shirt comes from? Well, here's the answer. The dedication of these silent heroes warrants better compensation for their efforts. Unreal, this slicing speed is straight up insane. If you spot the guy shaking up the world, drop a comment below. It was surprising to learn how easy it was to make change. Be honest, what's the first dish that pops into your head when you see meat sliced this thin?
He is so professional, speedy like a machine. Gotta give it up for those hands. Pure craftsmanship right there.
Only the real pros will recognize this one. Drop the name below and earn my respect.
Get ready to witness the ultimate restoration skills as this master revives the interior of an old car. The three of them work together seamlessly, like a dream team.
Thank you for watching. Hope these moments will help you relax after a stressful day at work. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next videos.